Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we are discussing Thai immigration policy in a general sense. And I don't usually do editorials on this channel. I try to just provide information as it's coming in, but there is sort of an overarching theme that I'm seeing that I think should be noted for those who keep up with this channel and are curious about the future of Thai immigration. I definitely believe that we are seeing a fundamental, well, let me backtrack on that. I shouldn't use such precise language. I believe that we could be seeing shifts in the way that immigration policy here in Thailand is made. I think we could see substantive changes to Thai immigration policy. I think we could also see changes in the regulatory structure as well as enforcement changes with respect to how Thai immigration law and immigration regulations are enforced in the coming weeks and months. So one thing that I think is most notable, a sort of theme that I've seen cropping up, is in discussing notions of quote-unquote the new normal or quote-unquote travel bubbles. I think the underlying theme there is that there may be sort of a reconfiguration of how Thailand deals with immigration policy generally. It looks to me like it's going to start on a bilateral basis, and they're sort of going to rebuild their, for lack of a better term, immigration system up from there, or at least their relations with respect to specific countries regarding immigration. They're going to rebuild that sort of back up from there. Now, that being stated, do I think that they're just going to throw out their whole system? No, that would not make any sense. But for example, one thing that I noticed, different countries are going to have, possibly moving forward, at least for the foreseeable future, and I would say foreseeable future up to the end of 2020, I think we could see countries where they say, look, yes, the same rules that have always applied to you will apply. We're also tacking on this quarantine measure for you because for entrance from your nationality or from your country. We're going to tack on this quarantine measure because it appears to us that your country is yet to fully get the COVID-19 disease, pandemic, whatever you want to call it, quote unquote, under control. It's not been dealt with as completely as it has been in other jurisdictions. How exactly that's delineated remains to be seen, and frankly, on a personal note, I'm rather skeptical if that can even really be done in sort of in an analytical or like sort of scientific fashion. However, immigration law has to deal with facts on the ground. It has to deal with the world as it comes and not sort of theory and pure academic science. So yes, I think there will be probably a time where maybe some countries are going to have a more truncated process of being able to get their nationals into Thailand, whereas nationals of other countries are going to see a more prolonged process in order to get into Thailand and be able to move about freely. That being stated, as this situation evolves, we will update you as things progress.